Want to see a sneak peek of some Christmas stuff? Let's go. All right, you guys know the deal. Before we get started with the fun stuff, we got to take care of the business stuff. Head here to find out more information on joining my team, contacting me to schedule a beginner class, register for workshops and retreats. Check out all my goodies I have on there. I have no longer available items, digital products, pre-made scrapbook pages, all kinds of goodies. Check it out. I'd love to know what you think. Today, I'm going to give you a little sneak peek of what we'll be doing at my customer appreciation events coming up. I always love to do these events. I love to spoil my peeps. So you can head here to find out more information. My first event, December 1st, 2nd, and 3rd, has a Zoom option. So I would love to have you join me. It'll be great. We're going to have some fun. So, yeah, let's go. All right, so here's your sneak peek. This is what's going to be, what everybody's going to get when they come to my customer appreciation events. This is our open house embellishment pack and paper pack. This is a Visor exclusive, obviously. It's a pack with 6 sheets of paper and some fun Christmas embellishments. These are going to be great for cards, Christmas pages, Christmas tags, all the things. So I'm really excited to play with this today. We're going to use our decorative trimmer, our jumbo circle, and your backer sheet, and then some embellishments. So let's get started. The first thing I want to do is cut a circle in this guy. This is a fun little snowflake page. Get my jumbo circle out here. If you don't have this, you can also use your circle maker, although I think this is probably the best idea. And I'm just going to cut inside track with the red blade, and I'm just trying to center it as much as possible in here. So inside track, red blade, make sure both prongs are in the track before you start cutting. And don't move your shape until you know you've cut all the way through as well. And it's good. We'll save this for another project. So set this aside. It's actually going to go onto your white sheet just like that. Next, let's keep our jumbo circle out and find my favorite pattern, which is probably the plaid. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut on the inside track and the outside track with the red blade and make a ring. So you don't want to move. You want to center this as much as possible. Doesn't have to be perfect. And you don't want to move your shape until you've cut both rings. So I'm going to cut the inside first. Again, I'm making sure it's cut. There we go. Now I have 2 of these that would make a great page on something else. And I'm not moving my shape. I'm just going to move to the outside track and cut around that. And there we go. You can also do this with your circle maker, like I said. So this can also be used for something else. But right now I'm super happy with this. This is going to go on here like that. And you're done with your jumbo circle. Now what I want to do is grab, I think, this green. And I'm just going to cut a fun swell with my decorative trimmer. So just pick, the fun thing about the decorative trimmer is you can pick where you cut. This is where you cut, this little wave line there. And this is the one I'm going to use. So I can put it all the way over here. I can put it all the way over here. I guess it really doesn't matter. I probably want more than that though. Actually, I want to do it this way. We're making a little hill. So when I put this down, I can see where it's cutting exactly. I think that'll be okay. This is for another day. And we're ready to build and embellish. This is actually going to be, it can be like a title page for a book, or maybe the first page of your Christmas activities for the month. Maybe a fun family picture with Santa. That kind of page. There we go. Let's tape this guy down. It's kind of like a wreath. And then get our little wavy piece. And it goes along the bottom. Or a snow globe. And then we're going to get our embellishments out and see what we have here. I'll be honest, I haven't even opened these yet. I know there's lots of goodies in it though. Oh, here's a happy holidays I might want to use. Ooh, there's some fun ornaments. Some have titles. These would also make great tags for your gift cards. Oh, and we actually have tags. How fun! All right, so I'm thinking there's not as many greenery things as I thought there were. But there's a few. Oh, there's another star. I don't think I'm going to use the star. I think what I am going to do... All right, I'm going to use both red ones. The red ones are my favorite. Let's see. So basically we're just clustering some embellishments down here to make it look fun. You could put some twine in that. Getting our wreath look out of this. I don't know if I like the tag so much. Maybe I just want maybe a star. I don't think the star's going to stick out very good. That looks pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and tape this down. I think Happy Holidays will probably pop up. So we're going to do more fun things with this paper pack and embellishment pack. So I hope you'll join me at one of my customer appreciation events. I have 2 of them, one the beginning of the month and one the end of December. When the beginning of the month is the Norwood one with the Zoom option, and the end of the month is in Montrose. No Zoom option. So there you go. Super cute. Okay, I hope you liked that. Go check out my customer appreciation events right there. I hope you can join me. I would love to have you. Thanks so much for all your support. I truly appreciate it, and I hope to see you all soon.